It boots up almost instantly thanks to its C++ core and uses minimal system resources. With a minimalist interface, it's perfect for quick edits and distraction-free coding. Features like multiple cursors, split editing, and the command palette make navigation a breeze. It supports tons of plugins via package control, but you'll need to install them manually. Its cross-platform costs $99 after a free trial and excels in handling large files. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a free open-source editor from Microsoft. It's built on the Electron framework. It's feature-rich with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js, plus thousands of extensions in its marketplace for any language or tool. It offers IntelliSense for smart code completion and an integrated terminal and robust debugging. While it's slightly heavier than Sublime, it's highly customizable and beginner-friendly, running smoothly on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now let's compare. Sublime Text is faster and lighter, ideal for quick edits, large files, or low-end machines. Its minimal design suits developers who want a no-frills experience, but it lacks built-in debugging and has fewer extensions. VS Code shines for complex projects, offering advanced features like debugging, Git integration, and a vast extension ecosystem. It's better for beginners and team workflows, but can feel slower with many extensions. Sublime costs $99, while VS Code is free. So, which is better? Choose Sublime Text for speed and simplicity, especially for solo coding or quick scripts. Pick VS Code for feature-rich development, debugging, or collaboration.